Welcome to ComplyRelax. In this video, we'll explore the checklist management feature designed to help your organization follow a standardized process for every task while ensuring complete visibility, accountability, and consistency across your team. A checklist acts as a standard operating procedure SOP, ensuring every task is completed step by step, improving consistency, accountability, and team collaboration. Let's see how this works in ComplyRelax. From the left side main menu, navigate to Checklist. Here, you will find two sections, Standard Checklist, Assign Checklist. The Standard Checklist section displays all the predefined checklists available in the system. ComplyRelax already provides several ready-to-use checklists. However, if your organization follows a different workflow, you can easily create, customize, edit, or delete checklists according to your requirements. To create a new checklist, click Add Checklist. There are two methods available for creating a checklist. Manual creation. Import Excel option. If you select the manual option, enter the title of your checklist, then add each checklist points one by one using the Add Raw button. Once all the points have been added, click Submit. Your new checklist will now be available in the standard checklist list. You can rearrange the sequence of checklist items using drag and drop. Next is Import Excel option. Here you have to download the template and fill in the checklist details using the prescribed format. Then upload the Excel file. This allows you to create multiple or lengthy checklists quickly and efficiently. Existing standard checklists can also be modified whenever required. Simply edit the checklist to suit your organization's workflow or delete checklists that are no longer needed. There is a trash button available to view all deleted checklist entries. You can also see who deleted entry. To restore any deleted checklist, simply click the Restore button. Now let's move to the Assign Checklist section. This section contains two tabs. Pending Completed. The Pending tab displays all active checklist assignments, while the Completed tab contains checklists that have been finished. To assign a checklist, click Assign. Select the maker, checker, company, and the other details. If required, specify a due date for completing the assignment. Once done, click Assign. The assigned checklist will now appear in the pending section. If required, you can also lock the checklist to prevent any further modifications after the work has been completed. Let's see how a team member updates an assigned checklist. Open the checklist from the pending section. This provides complete visibility into the progress of every assigned task. Each assigned checklist displays complete information, including company name, assigned checklist, maker, checker, etc. For each checklist point, the assigned user can enter remarks. Specify a due date. If applicable, update the task status as pending, in progress, or completed. If any additional activity becomes necessary while performing the task, the assigned user can add a new checklist point using the Add Row button. This ensures that every important activity is documented and tracked, even if it was not part of the original checklist. After the checklist is completed, reports can be generated in multiple formats, including Word, Excel, PDF. These reports can be shared internally with your team or externally with clients whenever required. There is a reminder facility also available. You can get due date reminders as per the expiry over your email. You need to enable the reminders for that from the setting. On the dashboard, navigate to Settings and then click Notifications. Here, search Checklist and enable the reminders. This is how the checklist management feature in ComplyRelax helps you standardize workflows, track progress, and ensure every task is completed efficiently. Thank you for watching.